to the side. I'm trying to like look at myself and look. Yeah. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I am Sierra the Baddie, and today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag. So let me show you my bag. Here's my bag. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you about this bag. I ordered this bag the day that it dropped, which was like 2 weeks ago, and I got it less than 5 days later. So shout out to them, shout out to Telfar. But this is the Melissa and Telfar collaboration that came out this year. The transparent bag. I absolutely love this bag. So we're going to unpack it, and I'm going to show you what's in it. Of course, it's transparent, and being that it is transparent, even though you can see inside my bag, I don't want you to see what's in my bag. So let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, so one of the things I have in my bag is this little bag. And I got this bag from Five Below. It's super cute. It's super functional. I love it. And I love the color. It's a little iridescent. So in here, let me show you. This is what's in this little bag. So I have lip gloss. Revolution lip gloss. I have a bunch of these toothpicks because you can't leave the house without this. I have some chapstick, of course. Yeah, if you're not using chapstick, I don't know what's wrong with you. I have some eye drops because, you know, red eyes. I have this just in case I get something stuck in my nail. You know, it's really annoying. So I have this just in case. And then the last thing I have in here is a hair tie. So this little bag is just all of like my essential needs that I'm gonna need no matter what if I leave my house. So that's what this bag is. Okay, also I have this bag. I got this bag from Shop Miss A in Texas. This bag was like $1. So inside of this bag, that's inside of my bag, is just like things like my lighter. I have my little towelette to clean my glasses. I have a razor, an eyebrow razor. Well, I only use it for my eyebrows and my face. So I have this in here. I have these little scissors. I think these are for like your nails, when you're like a hangnail. But these are in here. And then I have a couple, I don't know if you can see it, like rubber bands. And then I have protection. We're not gonna open it, but you get the gist of what this is. And not just for protection, because I mean, if you want to try me, you can try me. But also for like, if I need like to cut something, I'll use that for that. Okay, I also have my headphones. These are my wireless headphones. And I got these from Walmart. I have a pink comb. I got this comb from Pop Shelf. It came with something else. I'm not for sure what it else was. But I have a comb in here, of course. Then I have my lovely dupe wallets that I've been having for like years. I have this in there. I have some hand sanitizer because it's dirty out here in the world. Need hand sanitizer. I have this Kenneth Cole White. I got this from Ross, actually. It smells really good. It's just you know, after you've been outside a long day, that fragrance is gonna come off. So this is just for a re-up. I have a selfie stick, of course. A little tripod. It's a mini tripod. Then I can unscrew this part. I can unscrew this part, take this out. If I want to extend it, I can extend it. Or I can just, you know, attach it. Take this off and attach it. But I have a selfie stick, or whatever you want to call it. Got a couple receipts.
Because this was actually in my purse.
So, then I have some lotion. The best lotion from Bath and Body Works. It smells amazing. It's Nior. Everyone smelled it. If you have it, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, I have this mirror. And let's see if it still works. Okay, it don't work. But I got this mirror off Amazon, and the mirror has LED lights on it, but it doesn't work. But they have lights, but I love this. What else I got in here? I have a coin purse. This is also a dupe that I've had for a couple years. The Chanel dupe. But yeah, this is just my coin purse. And a couple more items. Just gonna take all of these out. Okay, so I have a, what is this called? A business card holder. So, I mean, I have business cards in here. I had a shop. So, I had an Etsy shop. And I still have some of the business cards in here. But I also use this as a wallet if I'm using a smaller purse. And I keep my my ID and my debit card, my Costco card, stuff like that in here if I'm using a smaller purse. But this is a business card holder. It's a lot of shit in this purse. Alright, so, and also I have a makeup brush just in case I get oily.
Dab, 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 dab. Keep it pushing.
I have this is my eyeglass holder. I don't keep like the big hard back eyeglass case, so I just have this just in case I forget mine or I need to just put my glasses away. I have a pen. Ooh. Then I have I also have Marc Jacobs Daisy's perfume in the travel size, or no, this is a sample size. I have it in a sample size. I also keep this in my purse. Just depends on the day, the mood, but this is what's in there now. And then I also have my keys, and that's it. But yeah, oh, and then I also have my registration, but we don't need to see that. Let me take that. And if you have stayed and stuck around to this part, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Again, I am Sierra the Baddie, and I will see you in the next video.